We'll guide you through how to unmask in Illustrator. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, start by launching Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Once it opens, choose New File to access the preset selection window where you can set up your project. Select the preset size that best matches your needs. Then click Create to open a new artboard. After the artboard appears, begin creating your eye design by planning its overall shape and layout. Use the ellipse tool to draw the basic eye base, making sure the proportions look balanced. Next, combine the shapes with the Pathfinder option so they form a clean and unified eye design. Add another important detail by using the Curvature Pen tool to create smooth curves that enhance the appearance of the eye. Take your time arranging every element and refining the design until you are satisfied with the overall result. When your eye design is finished, prepare to add an image that will be masked inside the eyeball. Open the File menu and choose Place to insert your selected image into the document. Browse to the image you want, select it, and place it onto the artboard. Resize and reposition the image until it fits properly within the eye design, while keeping the important parts visible. After that, move the image so it is positioned behind the eyeball element in the layer order. Then select both the eyeball shape and the image together so they are ready for masking. Right-click on the selected objects to open the context menu. From the list of available options, choose Make Clipping Mask to apply the effect. The eyeball element will immediately be filled with your image, while anything outside the eye shape becomes hidden from view. Finally, make any additional adjustments needed to match your overall design, such as fine-tuning alignment, improving spacing, adjusting colors if necessary, or refining small details